When it comes to cookware, choosing the right material is crucial for ensuring food safety and the health of our family and friends. In this video, we will explore different type of cookware materials which are considered food safe and some example of potentially unsafe cookware material as well. So let's start today's video. Hello everyone, welcome to Quality Food Safety 101. This is Arsalan and as I said in the intro, today we will talk about the cookware materials. First up, in the safe cookware category, we have stainless steel. Stainless steel is very popular and especially in the food industry, it is considered as the benchmark cookware material. It is durable, easy to clean, easy to use as well, and it does not release any harmful chemicals within the food while cooking at high temperatures as well. Another safe material is cast iron. Cast iron is also known for its durability and its inert property that it does not release any negative chemicals in the food while cooking. If used properly, it's a very good alternative to stainless steel. But one thing I would caution you here is that cast iron is quite heavy, so it's not easy to use for a lot of people. Another safe material for cookware is ceramic. Ceramic materials are made from natural clay and they are coated with non-toxic coating. This makes them food safe. During cooking at high temperatures also, they do not release any heavy metals or any chemicals into the food and as a result become a good choice for cookware material in food safety category. Another food safe cookware material is glass. If you look closely, glass is very popular in oven industry or in baking industry and it's also suitable for use in microwave. It does not release any negative chemicals or harmful chemicals into the food and it is also free from heavy metals. This makes glass a very suitable choice for a food safe cookware material. So now we listed already 4 types of cookware material which are considered to be safe, namely stainless steel, cast iron, ceramic material as well as glass. Unfortunately, there are some cookware material which are not considered that food safe or that can be potentially harmful. So let's talk about them now. One of the potentially harmful cookware material can be non-stick pans or non-stick pots. These non-stick pans and pots are coated with Teflon. Now Teflon can be dangerous at high temperature because at high temperature Teflon can release a chemical which can go into the food which is called as PFOA. The full version of this chemical I will leave on the screen for you to read and that can cause harmful effect to the health of a consumer in long term. Also, the Teflon material are also very sensitive to scratches. If you don't use them properly or you don't clean them properly with soft sponges and you scratch them, then the Teflon coating will come out and can go into the food, which has also harmful effect on the health. Then we have 2 more types of cookware material which can be potentially unsafe, which is aluminum and copper. Both of these metals can react with acid and especially when you're cooking any type of acidic foods, they can mix with the acid, react with the acid and in large quantities can cause the harm into the body of the consumer. That's why they are considered as not safe, especially for acidic foods. In other cases, they can be used because they are good conductors of heat, but especially for acidic food, we need to be very careful with aluminum and copper. So lastly, let us summarize. Not all the cookware materials are safe. One of the very commonly used item, which is Teflon coated non-stick materials, are potentially unsafe. So we need to be careful with them, especially we do not want to scratch them. Once they are old or have scratches, please get rid of them. And it is much better to shift to a safer and more durable cookware material like stainless steel, ceramics or cast iron or glass. in any scenario, there are some very important tips which you need to understand for any cookware material. Number one is that always follow the manufacturer's instructions with regards to maintenance and cleaning of the cookware material. Generally, with all the cookware material of good quality, there will be an instruction pack which will be there, or you can browse very easily on Google to find the proper instructions on how to maintain your cookware material. So please follow that. Number two, never ever use poor quality cookware material. Even if you use a safe category of cookware material and the quality is bad, it will still be a problem for us, because then it will be not chemically safe. Like for example, the first point which I mentioned is stainless steel, but the poor quality of stainless steel will still be a problem. So always use good quality of the material. And lastly, avoid overheating and scratching of the cookware material, because that can always be a problem. Like for example, ceramic materials which are coated with non-toxic coating, but if you scratch them, that coating will go into the food as physical contamination, although it will not be a chemical problem, but it will cause physical contamination in the food, which is always not welcomed. So that's it for today's video. Please subscribe to the channel, share the content. This kind of content is very crucial for all the households. We hope this video helped you in some way or the other. See you in the next one.